Today we're focusing on childproofing electrical outlets, a simple yet crucial step in creating a secure environment for children. Unsecured outlets are a leading cause of electrical injuries among children, making this an issue we cannot afford to ignore. By the end of this video, you will be armed with the knowledge to effectively childproof your electrical outlets, ensuring a safer environment for your children. You may wonder, why should I childproof electrical outlets? Well, let's delve into that. Unsecured electrical outlets are one of the most overlooked hazards in our homes, yet they pose a significant risk to our children. Young ones, driven by curiosity, have a knack for exploring every nook and cranny, and outlets are no exception. The danger lies in the potential for electric shock or burns. Picture this. In the United States alone, each year, over 6,000 individuals are treated in emergency rooms for electrical shock injuries related to tampering with outlets. A significant portion of these are children under the age of 5. Such incidents can have long-term impacts on a child's health, and in the worst cases, can even be fatal. By childproofing your outlets, you're preventing these tragedies, creating a safer space for your little ones to grow and explore. Childproofing outlets is an essential step in creating a safe home environment for your children. There are various types of childproof electrical outlet covers available in the market. Let's explore a few of them. First, we have the sliding plate covers. These are simple to use and generally more pleasing to the eye. They automatically cover the outlet when you remove the plug. The downside? They can be a bit tricky to install without a screwdriver. Next up are the box covers. These are ideal for outlets that are in constant use. They completely enclose the plug and cord, keeping them out of reach. On the downside, they can be bulky and might not fit all decor styles. Then there are the plug-in caps, a budget-friendly solution that's easy to install. Just plug them into the outlet, and you're done. However, they can be a choking hazard if a child manages to remove them. Choosing the right cover type is the first step in childproofing your outlets. Now, on to the main event, a step-by-step guide on how to childproof your outlets. First things first, safety is paramount. To avoid any nasty shocks, it's important to turn off the power at the circuit breaker. This is usually located in a metal box, often in a basement, garage, or utility room. Flip the switch for the room you'll be working in to the off position. Next up, you'll need to remove the existing outlet cover. This is typically held in place by a single screw in the middle. All you need is a standard flathead or Phillips screwdriver. Unscrew it and the cover should come right off. Now it's time to install your new childproof outlet cover. These come in a variety of types, so make sure you've chosen the one that best suits your needs. Most of them attach in a similar way to the old cover. Simply place it over the outlet and screw it into place. Make sure it's secure, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could crack the cover. Once your new cover is installed, it's time to test it out. Most childproof covers work by having a rotating mechanism that only allows the slots to open when both prongs of a plug are inserted at the same time. Try inserting a plug, it should go in easily. Now, try inserting a single object, like a key or a small screwdriver. It should be blocked by the cover, meaning your outlet is now childproof. Finally, once you're satisfied that the cover is working correctly, it's time to turn the power back on. Head back to your circuit breaker and flip the switch back to the on position. And voila! You've successfully childproofed your electrical outlet. But remember, while childproof covers are an effective way to keep curious little fingers safe, they're not a substitute for adult supervision. Always keep an eye on children around electrical outlets, even if they are childproofed. Following these steps will ensure that your outlets are childproof, reducing the risk of electrical injuries. Beyond installing outlet covers, there are additional measures you can take to ensure safety. Keep power cords out of reach, especially from curious little fingers. Regular checks and maintenance of these safety measures are vital too. Don't just set them up and forget them. Make sure the outlet covers are securely in place and undamaged. Remember, creating a safe environment is more than just a task, it's a commitment to the well-being of your loved ones. Remember, safety is an ongoing effort, not a one-time task. In conclusion, childproofing electrical outlets is a crucial task for every household. We've explored the risks, various outlet covers, and provided a step-by-step guide. Don't forget those additional safety tips. Take action today and make your home a safer place for your children. Thank you for watching, and remember, safety first.